How to buy XRP using Trust Wallet. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first thing you want to do is install and open Trust Wallet. And then you want to secure your wallet. So there are two ways you can do that: by backing up your secured wallet, or usually it's in the main wallet or the main wallet one. And you can find it towards the top of the interface on the home section of the app. And then select the wallet and tap on the corresponding dotted line, which is shown right here, and then you will see two options: backing up with Google Drive or your manual backup. And then go to the buy section. Now from there, now that you have secured your wallet, you can now buy some XRP. So head back to the home section of the interface and tap on buy crypto, and then enter the amount and find XRP from the list of the cryptocurrencies available. Confirm the purchase amount. So once again, specify how much XRP you want or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend, as you can see here. And choose a payment provider. Now you can also choose other payment providers like other wallets. And then complete the KYC and payment details. So just add your photo ID, some scan of your face, enter your credit card's information, and finally review the order before confirming. And you will see the provider's fee and the network fee for delivering XRP to your wallet, which has typically charged about 2 to 5% of the transaction as a fee. And that's how you can basically buy XRP using Trust Wallet.